Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. For this video I went to 3 different Dollar Trees and I found a lot of good stuff. I cannot wait to show you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so first of all I want to show you guys these wall arts. These canvas paintings are so pretty. I like this one specifically because of the colors and it's just really cute. And I think I'm gonna use this to decorate my sister's room. I already told her I wanted to, so this is gonna be perfect for her room. This one as well, look at how pretty that bird is with the flowers, the colors, they kind of go together. So I think it will look great, like 3 in a row or something. Then she chose this one, which is really pretty. And the reason why she chose this one is because of Tina from Bob's Burgers. She loves horses and my sister loves Bob's Burgers, so she wanted horses involved, but I didn't want all horses, so I told her she could pick one. Then there's this one. I think this will look great in a kitchen or a living room. Look at how pretty this is. They're still in the plastic, so they're a little shiny, but they are really pretty. And these are canvas. They're canvas, so it's really, really pretty. Look at that detail. And that's how you look in the back. It's so pretty. Okay, then the last one I got was this one. Just the color, that plum color on the little bucket. I don't think it's a vase, but the little bucket is so pretty. And then the flowers, they look really nice too. This looks expensive. Like, you go to any store and these are not $1. So for you to find these at the dollar store, come on. That's a bargain right there. Look at how pretty it is. So pretty. So I also found these cute little stickers. How cute are these? Well, it's not a sticker, it's a tape, but so cute. It's the Disney characters, and I was able to find these stickers as well. Look at how cute they are. These are so cute, and I have not seen these anywhere, and I was walking into the line already and I saw these in the bottom and I just grabbed them. Look at 8 paper coasters for $1. How cute is that? And they just say relax and they have feathers. I think they all say the same thing. I think they're all the same. Yeah, they're all the same, but these are really cute. Oh, they have it on both sides. For $1, you get 8 of these. Heck yeah. I also got this. This has been there for a while, but I just never really cared too much for it until I saw something similar to this on Anthropologie, and I thought, oh my god, I could definitely just spray paint this, and it's pretty much the same thing, but theirs is like super expensive and this was just $1, so I decided, why not? I can get this. This one was also around for a while, but I think this will make a really good accent to the elephants that I got, because it reminds me of Dumbo, you know, the lucky feather. So I'm thinking about doing something with the elephants and this feather. Oh, careful. And just putting it in my son's room. I think that will look so cute. I'm thinking about spray painting this and doing something with it, and I'll show you guys what I decide to do. But I just thought this would go great with the elephants in his room as kind of a Dumbo thing, because his baby shower was Dumbo, so I have a lot of Dumbo stuff already here, so that would just look great with it. Then this tray, I just thought it was a really cute color. Really nice design. You could just use it for knickknacks, like your keys, change, I don't know, just anything. In the office for paper clips, pins, whatever you want to put on here. But it's really cute and pretty. Look at the design. Okay, so then this is one of my favorite things. It says, every now and then I fall apart, and it's a taco. It's a phone holder. A phone stand, I mean. A phone stand. So you could just put your phone on there. Super cute. And it has the back part there. So I just thought that was really nice and I had to have it. So I honestly think I have a problem, but it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. I can get over it someday. Next, it's these beautiful little frames. Well, it's not even a frame. It says photo frame, but it doesn't have any glass or anything. It's just like a paper clip, and you put your picture on there. But look at this. It's like a marble look. So cute for a desk. Has a little stand in the back. This would look so pretty in your beauty room or a vanity desk, anywhere. And I also got this design because I thought it was really, really pretty. Same thing, you can just put it on your desk, hang it somewhere. So pretty. Careful, baby. Then I found this, again, the feather. You can easily just paint this on anything. It's so cute. Look at that. And I had already bought the ABCs, the alphabet, so I was excited to see that they had different designs for this. I could use this a lot. So yay. Next, I was super excited to find these. Look at this. My son loves it when I read to him. So when I found these for $1, I had to get them. Look. It's Peter Pan, Disney. 101 Dalmatians, perfect. Dumbo. We already have the original Walt Disney Golden Book, but hey, for $1, I'll take another one. Lion King. We also have this one in the Golden Book, but why not? So cute. And these are not a lot of pages. It's just a few. But come on, you can't beat that. Look at this. Just a couple of pages, but that's perfect. If you want to keep your kids reading during the summer, that's perfect. I found this little journal. It said set your thoughts free. But I really like that design. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. It's by John. It's just so pretty. Let me see what the letters, well, what the pages look like inside. Okay, so the pages are just plain. But still, the outside is so pretty. And I am going back to school, so I was happy to find this. They have a lot of pretty designs, but I chose this one because of the little bird and the cage. Really pretty. Then they also have this pencil pouch. How cute is this? It's just a little doggy. I think it's, I'm not sure if it's a pug, but I thought it was so cute. Hello. They had a zebra in pink, and it also said hello. And they had another one, but I forgot what it was. I'm not sure, but they had 3 different animals on these. Just the back is plain. Next, I found this magnet, which I thought it was super cute. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet. How cute is that? It's a magnet. Putting this on my fridge ASAP. And then I found this. You are the pineapple of my eye. How cute is that? It's just a wooden little, what is this? Like for you to hang on your door, on a wall. So cute. And so the last thing that I'll show you guys are these tote bags. Look at how cute these are. Oh, it's so fluffy. These are the Minions, and then there's a unicorn. Like, I really love this one. I got that one. I kind of went a little overboard with the totes, but come on, you can't have enough. Especially if you're gonna go shopping, you know, they're selling bags now. They're not using plastic bags, so why not? I got this one. I had to. The Incredibles, come on. This is so pretty. So, yeah. And then I got two more. I got this one. I thought it was really, really cute, but not as cute as the next one. I loved it. I got this one. It's not that big. It's pretty small. But if you guys remember, I had already gotten the little, what is it called? Like a makeup bag, fashion wristlet. And I thought this would be perfect for the beach or a picnic. You could just put your phone in here, your credit card, debit card, cash, whatever you need, important stuff in here. And then just put the rest of the stuff in here. Yes, Sebastian. You could put a towel, sunscreen, your sunglasses, whatever you need in this one. And I thought that was a great pair, so I had to get it. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I went a little overboard, but it's okay. I think you can never go too overboard. Again, I think I have a problem, but I mean, who doesn't, right? I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.